Hello everyone, and welcome back to RK English Studio. My name is Trevor.
And my name is Tracey.
We are so happy you're here with us today.
Whether you're driving, cooking, studying, working, or just relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today we're talking about something very important.
And something many English learners do every single day.
That's right.
We are talking about saying sorry too much.
Oh, wow, this is a great topic.
It really is.
Many people think saying sorry all the time is polite.
But sometimes it is not necessary.
Exactly.
Sometimes you did absolutely nothing wrong.
And yet you still apologize.
Have you ever done that, Trevor?
More times than I can count.
Really?
Absolutely.
Tell us a story.
Okay, a few years ago, I was standing in line at a coffee shop.
Sounds normal so far.
Suddenly, a man walked backward and bumped into me.
Ouch.
And do you know what I said?
Let me guess.
I said, sorry. Yes.
But wait a minute.
What?
He bumped into you.
Exactly.
So why did you apologize?
I have no idea.
That happens all the time.
It really does.
Sometimes people apologize automatically.
Like a reflex.
Exactly.
Today, we want to help our listeners understand something important.
What is it?
Being polite is good.
Very good.
But apologizing for things that are not your fault can make you sound less confident.
That's true.
So today, we're going to learn when you should say sorry.
And when you definitely should not.
Plus, we'll learn some better alternatives.
Alternatives that sound natural and confident.
Exactly.
Before we begin, don't forget to like this video.
Subscribe to RK English
Here's
Studio.
another common situation.
You're at work.
Or maybe at school.
You need help with something.
What do many people say?
Sorry to bother you.
Interesting phrase.
Very common.
But think about it.
Okay.
Is asking for help a bad thing?
Not at all.
Everyone needs help sometimes.
Exactly.
Instead of saying,
Sorry to bother you.
try saying,
Could you help me for a moment?
very natural,
Very polite.
and much more confident.
Let's hear an example.
Excuse me, could you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm trying to find the train station.
It's 2 blocks down the street.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See?
No unnecessary apology.
Exactly. Situation number 3. The restaurant mistake.
Trevor, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Have you ever ordered food and received the wrong meal?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
I ordered a chicken sandwich,
Sounds delicious.
but the waiter brought me a salad.
That's completely different.
Exactly.
What did you say?
At first, I almost said,
Sorry.
then I stopped myself.
Good.
Instead, I said, excuse me, I think there may be a mistake with my order.
Perfect.
Polite?
Respectful. Now, let's
confident.
talk about another
Sensible.
situation where people say sorry too much.
Oh, I know this one.
Really?
Yes. Waiting.
Waiting.
Imagine you're meeting a friend at a cafe.
Okay.
Your friend arrives 5 minutes late.
That happens all the time.
Exactly.
What do many people say?
They say, sorry for waiting.
Interesting.
But there is a better phrase.
What is it?
Thank you for waiting.
Oh, I like that.
Me too.
Why is it better?
Because it focuses on appreciation instead of apology.
That's true.
It sounds warmer.
And more positive.
Exactly. Let's practice. Instead of saying, sorry for making you wait.
Say, thank you for waiting.
Great job, everyone.
That's a phrase native speakers use all the time.
Here's another example.
Let's hear it.
Imagine you're sending an email.
Okay.
You need information from someone.
What do many people write?
Sorry for asking again.
Very common.
But you can say something better.
Such as,
Thank you for your help.
nice.
Or thank you for your time.
Those sound much more confident.
Exactly.
Trevor, I have a funny story.
Oh no, I love your stories.
A few months ago, I went shopping.
Okay,
I was looking at some clothes.
sounds normal.
Then an employee walked by.
And,
I wanted to ask a question.
let me guess,
I started with, "Sorry."
of course you did. What happened next?
The employee looked confused. Why? Because I hadn't done anything wrong.
Exactly.
I just wanted to know where the changing rooms were.
That's a normal question.
Very normal.
So what should you have said?
I should have said, "Excuse me, where are the changing rooms?"
Perfect.
Short.
Natural.
Confident.
Exactly.
Here's something interesting.
Tell us.
Many English learners think confidence means being rude.
That's not true at all.
Not even a little.
You can be confident and polite at the same time.
Absolutely.
In fact, the most confident people are usually very polite.
That's true.
They simply don't apologize for things that aren't their fault.
Exactly.
Now, let's look at a situation where you should say sorry.
Good idea.
Because sometimes an apology is necessary.
Definitely.
Imagine you're meeting a friend.
Okay.
The meeting starts at 3 o'clock.
And you arrive at 3:30.
What should you say?
You should absolutely apologize.
Exactly.
You can say, "I'm sorry."
Or imagine
That's
you
rude.
accidentally break someone's cup.
Oh, no.
Then you should say sorry.
Of course.
Because you actually did something wrong.
That's the difference.
A real mistake deserves an apology.
But asking a question does not.
Needing help does not.
Ordering food does not.
Speaking English does not.
That's an important one.
Many learners apologize for their English.
I hear that every day.
Someone says, "Sorry, my English is bad."
Before they even start talking.
Exactly.
But here's the truth.
What is it?
If you're learning English, you're already doing something amazing.
That's true.
You don't need to apologize for learning.
Not at all.
Instead of saying, "Sorry, my English is bad,"
You can simply say, "I'm still learning English."
that's much better
Much more confident.
and much more positive.
Great job, everyone.
You're learning some very useful English today.
And
Before
some
we finish
very
today's
useful life
lesson,
skills,
let's
too.
look at a few more real-life situations.
Great idea.
Imagine you're walking through a supermarket.
Okay,
Someone suddenly stops their shopping cart right in front of you.
that happens a lot.
You gently move around them.
And many people say,
"Sorry."
even though they did nothing wrong.
Exactly.
It's funny when you think about it.
It really is.
Sometimes we apologize just because we're taking up space.
That's a great point.
But everyone has a right to be there.
Exactly. Confidence starts when you stop apologizing for existing. Wow, that's powerful.
Thank you.
Here's another example.
Let's hear it.
Imagine you're learning English and talking to a native speaker.
Okay,
You make a small grammar mistake.
that's normal.
Very normal.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Exactly.
What should you do?
Simply continue speaking. That's right. Don't stop every sentence to apologize.
Focus on communication.
Not perfection.
I love that.
Communication, not perfection.
Let's say it again.
Communication, not perfection.
One more time.
Communication, not perfection.
Excellent.
Trevor, if you could give our listeners one piece of advice, what would it be?
That's easy.
Let's hear it.
Ask yourself one simple question before saying sorry.
What question?
Did I actually make a mistake?
That's smart.
If the answer is yes, apologize.
Of course. If the answer is no, maybe there's a better phrase.
Like, thank you.
Exactly. Let's review some examples. Instead of saying, "Sorry for asking,"
Say, "I have a question."
instead of saying, "Sorry for bothering you,"
Say, "Could you help me for a moment?"
instead of saying, "Sorry for making you wait,"
Say, "Thank you for waiting."
instead of saying, "Sorry, my English is bad."
Say, "I'm still
These
learning."
small
Small changes can make
Fantastic.
a huge difference.
They really can.
You'll sound more confident
More natural.
and more fluent.
Exactly.
Before we go, we have a question for everyone listening.
Yes, we do.
What's one situation where you usually say sorry?
Maybe when asking a question.
Maybe when speaking English?
Maybe when asking for help.
Tell us in the comments below.
We'd love to hear your answers.
And if you're still listening right now,
Write the word confident in the comments.
that's right.
Write confident so we know you're practicing with us today.
If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video.
Subscribe to RK English Studio.
And share this lesson with a friend who is learning English.
Remember,
Be kind,
be confident,
keep practicing every day.
and stop saying sorry when you haven't made a mistake.
Thank you so much for listening,
Goodbye, everyone.
and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.